Gumagawa ng pangalan ang isang Pilipino sa larangan ng pelikula dito sa Canada. Ang proyekto niya bahagi ng Toronto International Film Festival ngayong taon. Kilalanin siya sa report ni Teresa Redula.
Tatlo ang pelikulang Tagalog na ipinapalabas sa 11 araw ng Toronto International Film Festival. Pero ang hindi alam ng marami, mayroong isang pelikulang made in Canada kung saan ang producer nito ay mula Maynila.
Excited. Premiere's happening tonight.
4 na taon pa lamang sa Toronto ang kababayang si Enrique Miguel Baniqued, pero gumagawa na siya ng pangalan sa larangan ng pelikula. Ang kanyang pinakabagong proyekto, bahagi ng isa sa Big 5 film festivals sa buong mundo.
Talking to the people in line for the movies, because that's what you make movies for. It's like it's for the public and it's for entertainment.
Tristan, your grandma made chicken curry.
No thanks.
I made this one. You can have it.
I said no. Tristan!
Miyerkules ng gabi ang premiere ng Canadian film na Village Keeper na pinangunahan ni Director Karen Chapman. Sinusundan nito ang kwento ng isang single mom na siyang provider at protector ng kanyang 2 anak. Pero ang mag-anak, tila hinahabol ng karahasan mula nakaraan at kasalukuyan.
What could happen if you talk about your secrets with your family? And so that's kind of what we wanted to explore in this film. And I felt like even though Karen's Guyanese, Canadian, and me being a Filipino, I felt like this message is universally understandable. So that's kind of why I wanted to pursue this project, just because like it's a message that's worth making.
Ang hindi raw inasahan ni Baniqued sa kanyang unang pelikula bilang producer, ang nominasyon para sa isang prestihiyosong parangal sa film industry.
It's been a surprise kasi like kakasimula ko lang with film. I've never really done film till I moved here. And only it was because of COVID that I got into it, really. Just having been nominated beside the people there and seeing the quality of work, and I'm familiar of the work that they've done, it's like it means a lot.
Siya ang natatanging Asyano na posibleng makatanggap ng Kevin Tierney Emerging Producer Award mula Canadian Media Producers Association ngayong taon.
As a producer, sa'yo talaga lumalapat yung mga problema. And the biggest part of that is like your mood will affect the rest of your team's mood. Especially for this project, was Karen's baby. She's been trying to make this film for 9 years. And I just wanted to do the best we could with the little amount of resources that we had. And I think I'm pretty proud to say that I feel like we made the most out of what we had.
Hindi raw maipagkakaila ang galing at pagkamalikhain ng mga Pilipino pagdating sa pelikula. Layunin daw niyang balang araw, mas makilala pa ito ng ibang lahi.
It's important because if it's not us who do it, who else is going to do it for us, right? What Korea has going on for their film industry, I want that for the Philippines. So that's like a long-term goal for me.
Malaki ang kanyang pasasalamat sa suportang natatanggap mula sa komunidad at oportunidad na maging bahagi ng TIFF.
The nomination itself, I'm already grateful for. So whatever happens after that, it's just an additional blessing. I don't believe I'm a special person. I came here 4 years ago having no background in film. And it's like, you just have to do it, and once someone gives you that opportunity, you just make the most out of it.
Huling matutunghayan ang Village Keeper Sabado ng umaga sa Scotiabank Theatre. Malalaman naman kung si Baniqued ang mag-uuwi ng Emerging Producer Award sa Huwebes, September 12. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.